Hey, this is Frankie here from House of Scuba. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to remove the outer and inner nose cone from the brand new Yamaha 500Li. So first step will be to make sure that the device works, and the way that we'll do that by turning the switch in the on position and then pressing right here, and we see that it works. Turn that back off so that we can remove the outer and inner nose cones. Before we remove the nose cone, we're going to take out all the parts that are included in our little service kit here, because we will need them to remove the cone, because the cone is actually vacuum sealed onto the scooter to prevent water getting into the battery compartment. So now that we have all the little parts, we've got some silicone bands here. We've got some silicone grease. We've got a small screw that will insert into the top of the nose cone to remove the pressure. And then we have a vacuum pump that works both ways, both to add air to the nose cone to remove it, and also to suck all of the air out of the nose cone to seal it. And then of course we have our instruction manual. So first, to remove the outer nose cone, you have 3 clips. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. So this is the outer cone. This is not actually sealed vacuum. The inner cone is what is sealed with a vacuum seal. So once you remove the outer cone, unscrew the cap, the top here. Go ahead and open my instruction manual to page 7 and 8, which will give us the directions here. Alright, so then we'll remove the vent plug right here. It's attached by a small red line. You remove that as well, exposing the port here in the top of the inner nose cone. After we remove that, then we will go ahead and take these 2 silicone bands. We're going to twist them inside each other. So put them together and then put one through the other one. Just like that. Then you're going to take this and run it across the top of the nose cone. First over the handle here, then on the back side, and also bring it over just like that, so that it sits in the middle into the 4 grooves that we have here at the top. Once that's done, we'll take our vacuum sealer, put it onto try the red nozzle first. I can't remember if it's the red or... Alright, so it'll be the blue nozzle for removing and the red nozzle for creating the vacuum to seal it. Put on the blue one. Take the little screw piece that I was telling you about earlier, insert it into the port in the top of the nose cone, and thread screw in perfectly. So just thread that all the way down. Once that's threaded in, take the hose from your vacuum pump and insert it into the top of that threaded screw port. Okay, that's good. And then we're just going to simply add air to that nose cone, and slowly the inner nose cone will pop up. There you go. So now there's no more vacuum seal on that nose cone. These silicone pieces are just holding it in place so that it doesn't pop out. Now you can remove your vacuum hose, remove your silicone bands, and finally remove the inner nose cone. exposing the battery, which can easily be removed like so for charging. And that is how to remove the outer and inner nose cone for the Yamaha 500Li. Thank you guys for watching, and contact us at House of Scuba if you have any questions.